Lecture 7. How to find a winning product. Product hunting. A well-designed store only works if it has the right products. Without them, it's like a library with empty shelves. This lecture focuses on one of the most important skills in e-commerce, finding a winning product. A winning product is not just something that looks good. It solves a problem, excites customers, and actually sells. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what makes a product winning, learn practical methods for product hunting, identify free and paid tools that help track trends, develop the ability to evaluate products before investing time and money. What makes a winning product? Not all products are equal. A winning product usually solves a problem. Customers buy it because it makes their lives easier. Example, phone stands for video calls. Has demand. There is consistent interest, not just a one-time buzz. Offers good margins. You can sell it at a price that leaves a profit after costs. Stands out. It has something unique compared to competitors. Think of it this way. If a product makes people say, "I need that" the moment they see it, you are on the right track. Methods for product hunting. Here are some practical strategies. Social media trends. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube often highlight trending items. Pay attention to hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. For example, when you just go to TikTok in here, and here you can see we have searched for this trend as TikTok made me buy it, and you have all these products available that are in trending and people are buying that. Like perfect gift for cats, and like printers, and all of these options that you can explore later on. Marketplaces. Look at e-commerce websites as we have in here. For example, we have Amazon bestsellers. You can explore this platform in here. Next we have eBay in here. You can search for trending deals and you have all these options that are in trending and people are buying that. Like we have Bluetooth wireless speaker in here, Lenovo laptop, and robot vacuum in here. You can explore this website as well, and you can add any of these items to your Shopify store. The next we have AliExpress in here, and it has hot selling products. These are in trending and people are buying that in bulk. Here you can see 800 plus items have been sold in here, and you can see 114, 391, and people are buying that in bulk. These lists reveal what's selling globally. Customer reviews. Read reviews on popular products. For example, just go to Amazon in here and select this item and scroll down a bit. Here you can see. So this is what customers say, although it is AI generated from the text of customers' reviews. So these were the keywords that were used, like weight distribution, comfort, fit, quality, workout value, fitness level, durability, and smell, with no smell in fact. This is the top reviews from the United States, and you can explore it as it gives a positive review in here with 5-star rating. So it means that this product is reliable and people are buying that. If many people praise the same feature, that's a clue to demand. Seasonal ideas. Some products perform best at certain times. For example, planners in January or fitness gear in spring. Tools for product research. Free tools. Google Trends to check interest over time. TikTok search, or Shopify's own product trend reports. For example, we just go to Google Trends in here. You just type Google Trends. Click in here. Click on Explore. So here you can search for skincare, home decor, or gym equipments. For example, you just type in here as skincare products. And you can see the trend in here in specific country as United States when just worldwide. So here you can see this is the trend worldwide for past 12 months. When you scroll down a bit, you can have the related keywords in here as well, like Have skincare products, Medicube, best Korean skincare products for anti-aging, and all of these. You can explore later on, like best selling Korean skincare products. So when you just click in here you can see the trend for this specific keyword worldwide for past 12 months. Paid tools. Platforms like Ecommerce sell the trend. or Jungle Scout provide detailed product data. Tip: if you're starting, begin with free tools. Paid platforms are useful once you're ready to scale. Evaluating your product choice. Before committing, ask: does this product solve a real need? Is it already too saturated with competitors? Can I price it fairly and still make a profit? Would I buy it if I were the target customer? Practical example: say you spot a trending product, LED strip lights. Before adding them to your store, check if the market is overcrowded. If everyone sells the same product, you might consider a variation, like motion activated LED strips, to stand out. Finding a winning product is about spotting demand, solving problems, and standing out from the crowd.